Yeah, so I've got iPhone 7 here. The home button is not pressing. It is reading the fingerprint ID, but it is not pressing the home button properly. You can see it is not pressing, but it can read the fingerprint ID. See? So this been to a shop, and then they tried to replace the screen, and after that they said this home button stopped working. So let's have a look. I'm just gonna take out this home button. Screen on the side. Let's have a look under the scope. First thing, I always check the connector and the flags. That is okay. See, you can see this one, euthanasia. That is damaged from the corner. That's the reason the home button is not working. So for that one, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my preheater tool. That one, I use my iron. I'm gonna put my home button on this tool, just like that. Like that. Yeah. So next step I'm gonna turn on my soldering iron. I'm gonna set it around 290, I think is okay. Okay, so let's go to microscope again. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean off this glue or epoxy from the sides. I'm just waiting for my preheater to make it bit hot or warm, so it can pull up. I can scrap off this sheet easily. So slowly I'm just trying to get rid of this stuff. I don't need to clean all this stuff. I just need to clean as much as I can for the IC replacement. I don't need to clean complete of this. That one. On this side as well. This underfill is very soft, so you shouldn't use any force on that one, it comes off very quickly. Yeah, that's good enough. So now I need to knock off this IC from that flex. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of flux. Yeah, that's enough. And with my hot air, low heat. I'm not gonna use high heat. I'm using low heat, and I'm just gonna pry off. That's it. So this IC is off. So I'm gonna clean off the pads. I'm just touching the pads. Okay, I'm gonna turn off my preheater now, and I'm just gonna clean off the surface. It is hot, so because I don't want any of these bubbles in the flex, these things, because they are gonna make my IC harder to sit down. So I'm just gonna get rid of these ones like that. Yeah, that's it. And now I'm gonna cover this little bit with my solder mask because I exposed the ground plane, and I'm gonna cover it with the solder mask. I'm gonna use little bit of mask, not gonna use much. That's enough. So I'm gonna cure it with my UV light. That's good enough. So I'm gonna turn on my preheater again, and I'm gonna grab new IC. This is not new IC basically, these has been reballed. So the way. I'm gonna put a bit of flux first. Because we want to make sure there is nothing between these pads and IC pads, IC balls, because if there is some epoxy or anything, the IC is not gonna sit properly and then it won't work. I'm gonna blow it with my hot air. Yeah. I'll merge it a bit more. So, preheater off and button off from the preheater. So this is the home button. Let me show you under the scope. This side looks good. Looks good to me. You can see the balls. So, okay, so I'm gonna clean off the flux. I'm gonna test it now. This screen is copy this thing. Need to clip in under the scope. That would be a bit easier for me, because that's the problem with the aftermarket screens. This flex cable, they are not right size. So anyway, let's test it. Okay, you can see home button is working. It's working perfect. So double click is working. So let's check the fingerprint as well. So fingerprint is working as well. So that's how we can fix the U10 IC or clicking problem on iPhone 7 Plus. When you replace the screen and button is not clicking and your flex is okay, so that's mean you have a U-turn IC problem. So you just need to replace that IC and then your phone will be back to normal. So I hope you will enjoy this video, guys. I will see you another time with new video. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I can keep on making videos for you. I will try to bring as much as new stuff I can, but I need your support I need your support as well. So please try to subscribe and share and like this channel. So take care. Bye bye.